Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you come here to subtitle size. Click on this sign and here can you select your subtitle size here in this list. So when you just select it, you go down, click here on save, so then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to add your subtitle size. That's all. So to change it, I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching. See you next video.